Hi guys, it's Itsmeabae. Welcome back to my channel. You know the usual. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I washed my hair yesterday and I moisturized it. So if you want to see what I use and what I do to keep my natural hair moisturized, keep watching.
Tell me I can trust you. Don't stop. I could really use it.
Disclaimer, I'm a 26-year-old that has the hairstyle of a 12-year-old. I sincerely apologize. I can help it and I have no time to comb it over, and I will not be combing it over. I have to deal with it because I'm going to have my hair braided on Tuesday. So yeah, this is my hair after plaiting it today. Nice and shiny. I've finished rinsing out my clay mask. I'm just gonna show you guys my hair straight from the shower. My hair is so soft, like yes. Sorry. I don't use much stuff to moisturize my hair, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I use. I use ORS olive oil moisturizing hair lotion infused with castor oil for strengthening. I got it in Yips for $36.50. I buy it in Yips on Charlotte Street to be exact, the big Yips, and Pennywise also sells it, but they sell it for $39. I'm saving a whole $2.50. Ooh. So this is it. I use my trusty mixture of oils for my scalp because I am currently battling a dry scalp still, unfortunately. So my bottle has Jamaican black castor oil, the dark one, and peppermint oil. Shea butter. It looks kind of weird, but it's wrapped in cling. I have my trusty water bottle just in case. And my comb. I don't know if to call this a wide tooth comb or not, but it's my trusty comb. The teeth are not as wide as it could be, but it's not fine either. So I guess it's medium-sized tooth comb. And that's it. So I usually start off by oiling my scalp, and I work that in to help stimulate my follicles, get my scalp all tingly and again glowy. My hair's a bit wet. Now there are two methods to moisturizing natural hair: LCO and LOC, liquid cream oil or liquid oil cream. My hair is already wet, so there's the liquid. It's still a bit too damp for my liking though. And don't forget, I have low porosity 4C natural hair. So this is my oil. Just gonna put it in my scalp. And I try to focus especially on my hairline and the areas where I usually get really bad dry scalp, which is generally the front. I'm guessing it's because of when I use gel in my hair, like my scalp reacts to that. Now I'm just gonna massage it in. Don't forget, when you're moisturizing your hair, you generally want to work on your hair while it's still damp, so your hair can absorb the products that you're putting into it. So my products are massaged into my scalp. Oh, the peppermint oil is burning my eyes. I'm going to start with my ORS. Usually persons refer to the liquid in the LOC or LCO method as a moisturizer. That could be like this. They usually say that the first ingredient in these products is water. So this can act as your liquid. I don't know if you guys will see it because I'm using my back lens and I cannot see if the lens is focusing on the label, but I'm just going to show you guys. Probably I'll insert a picture on either side so you guys can read the ingredients. I don't know if that worked. I have really thick hair, so I tend to use a good bit of product. Don't forget to show your ends some love because they are the oldest part of your hair. Now I'm just gonna work the leave-in into my hair. And now I'm going to seal this in with some shea butter. Now you can also seal with heavy sealants such as castor, argan or jojoba oil, but I have a lot of shea butter and I really like shea butter, so I'm going to use shea butter. I'm really trying to show my ends some love because I don't want them to break off. Now that I'm done, I'm just gonna gently pass my comb through my hair to take out any possible tangles that there may be. I'm finished with this section, so I'm just going to plait it away and move on to another section. Once again, the same procedure. I squeeze the excess water out of my hair. I oil my scalp. I add my olive oil ORS leave-in conditioner or moisturizer, sorry. And I seal with shea butter. And that's it. I'm going to do this last section for you guys to see. And that'll be it. The end of my lovely but very short video. You have to really be careful too with how much product you're packing in, because sometimes you may put too much and the rest of the product just sits on top of your hair strand and it does not penetrate the strand, thereby resulting in build-up. I'm gonna film I'm gonna finish the rest off camera and I'll be back soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you return to my channel. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe, leave a suggestion. All the other information you'll need would be in my description box down below. Don't forget to watch my other videos, please. Thank you, I appreciate it. See you next time. Also keep an eye out for my next video. My next video is going to be on how to retain length and prevent breakage of your natural hair. Is that the title of my video? Yeah, I think that is it. How to maintain length and reduce breakage on your natural hair. Now I've been through it. I've bleached my hair about 3 times and colored it. So bleached it 3 times, colored it once, and it has broken off. Like I colored my entire hair when I did the big chop in a copper color and that's gone. Then I bleached the ends twice, that's gone. I had streaks, that's gone. and then I was bleaching the knots of my wig, and I had extra bleach mixture remaining, and I just added bleach to the front of my hair, like it was really in the spot right there, and that's gone too. So I've learned some stuff along the years, and I just want to share it with you guys. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye.